Hi children, this is Miss Yasmin. Today we are going to start a new lesson on the pupils book. Turn to page number 66. Now this is going to be a very interesting lesson because it's on food. So let's see unit 11, food poems. Let's see, they have given us 2 poems. So let's read them. Jelly on the plate. Jelly on the plate, jelly on the plate, wibble wobble, jelly on the plate. So, what are they talking about? They are talking about jelly. I am sure most of you like to eat jelly, isn't it? I love jelly. No, it's lovely. No, it's a lovely dessert. We all like to eat jelly. So, what are they telling about the jelly? That the jelly on the plate is wibble wobble. No, it tends to move. No, it is set but it tends to move. No, it tends to wibble and wobble. Okay, let's go to page 67. The pancake. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in the pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. Now I'm sure most of you have heard this poem before, isn't it? Most probably you may have done it for elocution as well. So this is a very famous poem. So what are they talking about? What is this they are making? They are making a pancake. You know what a pancake is, right? I'm sure most of you have eaten it and you make it also with your mom. It's very easy to make, where you mix flour and eggs and butter and you make it, isn't it? So they are saying we mix a pancake, stir a pancake and we pop it in the pan. Then we fry a pancake and toss a pancake, catch it if you can. Right, so you can see in the picture this boy is tossing the pancake. Of course, it's not easy to toss a pancake and to catch it, but this is what the poem says. Okay children, let's go to the next page, page 68. Comprehension. Now you know what comprehension is. Now they are going to ask us questions about the poem. Read the poem on page 66 and 67 aloud. Answer the question. So they want you to say it aloud, no, like we are saying the poem or like I just did, you say it aloud. Okay, so both the poems you have to say. Right. What 2 foods are the poems about? So what are the 2 foods that the poems are about? Who can tell me? Easy. It's about jelly and pancake. Like we read a little while ago, it's on jelly and pancakes. Okay. Number 2. Look at the pancake. Copy 2 words that tell you what you can do with a pancake. Okay, so before we answer that, we will see on the right hand side they have given us a little note. So what are they telling us? You will have to read the poems carefully to find the words. So they are telling us that we have to read it carefully to find these words or to find the answers to these questions. So number 2, look at the pancake, the poem pancake. Copy 2 words that tell you what you can do with a pancake. So what can we do with a pancake? If you read the poem, what can we do? We can mix, we can stir, we can pop, we can fry, we can toss and we can catch. No, these are the things that we can do with a pancake. When you read the poem, you will know these are what we can do. Right. Number 3. Look at jelly on the plate. The poem jelly on the plate. Copy 2 words that tell us how jelly moves. How does the jelly move? If you read the poem, you will see. How does the jelly move? Wibble wobble. So how does it move? Wibble and wobble, no? Like I explained, it tends to shake a little. Right. Then B, think about the poems. Right, so they want you to think about the poems. Which poem do you like the most? So they are asking you a question. Which poem do you like the most? So you can write which poem you like the most. Then number 2, why do you like this poem? Now if you say that you like, we'll say jelly on the plate, then you have to tell why you like jelly on the plate. You have to explain and say why. You can say because I like to eat jelly, or you can say because it's cool. No, it is a bit cool, no, because it has to set in the fridge. So you can write, if you write the poem jelly, then you have to write why again. Then we'll say some of you write I like the poem the pancake. Then you have to say why you like the poem, no, this on pancake. Then you can say, well, because I like to eat pancake, or because the pancake is soft, or because I make it. Okay, so those are the answers that you will have to write. Okay, children. So this work you can do in your English writing book. There's not too many questions here, so you can take your English writing book and you can write the answers to this. Okay, children. So till I connect with you next. Bye.